Cadillac has blended old-school grandeur with cutting-edge EV technology, resulting in a vehicle that commands attention while remaining effortlessly modern and refined. Whether you're a longtime Escalade fan or simply intrigued by luxury electric SUVs, the Escalade IQ brings a unique package to the table. At first glance, the exterior screams presence. With its bold, upright front fascia, illuminated Cadillac crest, vertical light signatures, and a black crystal shield grille that glows like a futuristic armor plate, the Escalade IQ turns heads day or night. The long, flowing body lines give off a commanding silhouette, and the 24-inch wheels and massive stance make it feel every bit as grand as its predecessors, if not more so. Under the skin, the Escalade IQ rides on GM's Ultium platform, which delivers both performance and efficiency. With up to 750 horsepower and 785 lb-ft of torque in Velocity Max mode, this massive SUV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, astounding for a vehicle of its size. The dual-motor AWD setup ensures confident handling across varying road conditions, while the adaptive air suspension and magnetic ride control provide a smooth, almost cloud-like ride. One of the biggest talking points is its range. Cadillac estimates up to 450 miles on a full charge thanks to its 200 kWh battery pack, which puts it near the top of the segment. DC fast charging at 350 kilowatts adds approximately 100 miles in just 10 minutes, giving drivers confidence in both daily use and long road trips. The Escalade IQ also supports bidirectional charging, letting you power your home or charge another EV if needed. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that's nothing short of opulent. The highlight is the 55-inch curved LED display that spans nearly the entire dashboard from the driver's side to the passenger. It integrates everything from infotainment and vehicle controls to augmented reality navigation and media. Materials include real wood, aluminum, leather, and even sustainable fabrics, emphasizing both luxury and environmental consciousness. Another unique addition is the hands-free driving capability with GM's Super Cruise, offering assisted driving on compatible highways. This system adds even more comfort and confidence, especially during long hauls. With over-the-air updates and connected services, the Escalade IQ is built not just for the present, but for years of upgrades ahead. Cadillac didn't forget utility either. The vehicle includes a front trunk for added cargo space and flat folding third-row seats that open up substantial rear storage. The smart glass roof can be dimmed or brightened at the touch of a button, giving you control over natural light. It's a thoughtful fusion of aesthetics and functionality. In closing, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ stands as a statement of what electric luxury should look and feel like. It's not trying to chase Tesla or Rivian, it's creating its own lane, merging Cadillac's storied luxury heritage with future-forward innovation. The blend of performance, range, design, and technology makes it not just a worthy successor to the gas-powered Escalade, but a bold new direction for the brand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed walkthrough of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth automotive reviews, and let us know in the comments, is this the electric luxury SUV you've been waiting for?